Welcome to a Q-Tip Sunday. Very, very random, very, very rare. First ever done. But I gotta come on here, I gotta drop my nuggets, I gotta drop my perspective on certain things based off like my own experiences and that kind of stuff. And this Q-Tip Sunday is called Support Your Fucking Friends. Support your friends. I'm not gonna even, support your friends. All right? This is a very important thing because there's a lot of people that at times would rather see somebody that they don't know be successful compared to a person that they do know. Me especially, I've experienced this so many times within my trading journey and life overall. And the people that have that kind of mindset is fucking disgusting, knowing that a person can be so envious and bad mind and red eye at the same time because they just don't want to see that other person have more money in their pocket than what they do. It's a weird concept. Like, for example, if two people have the same exact product, right? Same exact product, they probably have like a private label for a certain product and that kind of thing, and so it's the same exact product, different name, same product, different name. They would rather at times buy from a person that they don't know, knowing that the money that's going there, they have not much feeling towards it, versus the person that they do know with the same exact product. They will not spend there because they actually know the person and they know where that money is going, which is in their friend's pocket, which makes them feel some kind of way. So it's like an overthinking type of thing. All right. And I speak on these things based on experience because, as y'all can see, right, I don't envy anybody. All of my friends are doing very, very well. I have nothing to be envious about, period. All right. I have everything that I want within myself. I have everything that I want within my journey. I have no reason to be envious. I have no reason to be bad mind. I have no reason to be anything except a supporter of what my friends have going on. All right. So, for example, with me, I'm a trader. All right. I've been trading for a long ass time. I'm very, very good at what I do. All right. But if I want to learn something new within that trading field, I would rather go to a person that I know to learn something new versus a person that I do not know at all. I have friends like recently, I want to learn more about fundamentals. I hit up my friend Josh, like, yo, Josh, blah, blah. Listen, like, fundamentals, blah, blah. Like, listen, I'll pay the money. Like, I don't care to pay the money else, that kind of shit, because I know where the money's going. First of all, it's your brand, and I want to support your shit. Take this fucking money, and I want to learn your knowledge because I don't want to, take advantage of you in any kind of way. Take it. I don't mind paying like everybody else. Cool. All right. I have friends that, I like supercars, I like cars, that's like my overall passion. And I have friends that pretty much, they have what I need. Like, they have services that could help improve my product, all right? Velos Design Works, owned by Omar Murray. Bum. If I need my car done, wheels, performance, any kind of appearance upgrades, why would I call this person over here that I don't know versus over here knowing that I can actually pay all this fucking money for these fucking cars and upgrades, knowing that I know where it's going, I feel good about it, but also I want to see your business grow. I feel better doing that versus putting money over here for a company that I do not know. And you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't give a fuck about that. Like, if I need to go that way, cool, but why would I not go the route that I have a relationship with, I have a bond with, but also I'm connected to in some kind of way? That's supporting your friends. I have some people that pretty much want to learn about trading. Listen, I have people that's not in my circle, but people that I know that have known me for a long ass time. And they want to learn trading. But instead of paying me to learn my skill set that I've worked for a long ass time, they would rather go to somebody else that they don't know. They would rather go on YouTube. They would rather go on Baby Pips. They would rather go everywhere else except the person that they do know. Bad mind. That's a crazy thing to fucking have on your conscience. Not supporting your friends, I feel like it's just, it brings so much negativity out of a person that they don't grow themselves. It kind of lacks growth as well. Because with me, if a person doesn't support my thing, but I'm very, very open with supporting their thing, it definitely shows, and I always support that. The people that doesn't have that, it hinders them in many, many ways, many, many relationships that they might get into inside the future, all these things. If you're around those kind of people, you have to stay around from those kind of people because they don't want you to be successful at what you're doing. They don't want to see success in your business. They don't want to see your money grow. They don't want to see you grow mentally, physically, financially, anything. And you got to be careful about it and not be naive when it comes down to even seeing these signs of that. It's obvious. These kind of things, I always say, it's obvious. You can't be naive about it. It's things that's right in front of your face that you got to just like sit back and think like, yo, listen, like what the fuck, like this person really isn't for me, like what the, you know? So like those kind of things, I feel like you have to sit back and realize like what's really going on. If a person support your brand, they don't overthink it. If a person see a photo on your Instagram or your social, they don't think about liking it. They just like it. The people that have to overthink about, damn, like, should I like this comment or like should I like this post, regardless of if I know the person. You know what I'm saying? Like that's weird. If I have a friend that pretty much posts photos, dope, like I don't overthink it. Go on. That makes the relationship grow in many kind of ways. It could be in business, it could be in friendship, it could be in all kind of things. But those people that are envious, trust me, it hinders them in many, 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 many ways. Like I said, every single thing that I use in my daily life, every single thing that I need, if I have a friend that does something within that category, why would I go anywhere else? Especially if I like the product that they're putting out, regardless of who owns it, I'm gonna go towards it. People will shop at places. People will use services and all these other things based on them not knowing the owner versus a company or a service that they do know the owner, because they don't want that money to go in your pocket. Think about that. The bottom line, people do not want the money that they're spending on a certain product to go in your pocket because it makes them feel some kind of way. It makes them feel just envious. It makes them feel just like they're I don't know, it's just a negative type of disgusting type of energy. If I'm spending money on a product and I know where that money's going, and if it's to a friend, if it's to a person that I'm close to, keep on going and I'll keep on spending, and you got a customer for life at that point. Don't be around people that have to overthink the concept of supporting a friend. And like I always say, it's obvious. If people do not support you, it's obvious. If you got to pretty much think if a person supports you, trust me, it's obvious. Don't be blind. So like I said, things like this, you have to stop and think, look at it, and deal with it accordingly. All right? So this right here is support your friends. Shit like this is fucking obvious, like I said. And yeah, stay away from bottom-minded people, red-eyed people, because they are not for you. And it will only hinder you if you keep them around. All right? So until next time, peace out.